Eating an avocado is simple and versatile, and it can be enjoyed in many different ways. Start by selecting a ripe avocado. Gently squeeze it to check for softness, but avoid pressing too hard, which can bruise the fruit. So once you found a ripe avocado, cut it in half lengthwise, avoiding the pit in the center. Use a spoon to carefully remove the pit, and tap the pit with the edge of the knife and twist to lift it out. Next, you can scoop the creamy flesh with a spoon, or if you prefer, score the flesh into cubes before scooping it out. The flesh can be eaten as is, with a sprinkle of salt and pepper for a simple treat, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture. For a savory option, mash the avocado and mix it with lime juice, salt, and garlic to make guacamole. You can also add avocado slices to salads, sandwiches, or toast for a rich, satisfying addition. Avocados can be enjoyed in both raw and cooked forms. When using them in dishes like salads or on toast, you got to keep the flavor fresh and vibrant, you know. So for a warm dish such as in tacos or burgers, lightly grill or warm the avocado to enhance its flavor.